Welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have, guys. We're in the crafter section. Let's do this. Okay, so over here we have the wooden beads. Okay, and they go all the way down. Then we have the stretch lace over here. And then on the bottom here, we have the foam sheets, 32 pack. Then over here we have the wooden beads in this style, and they go all the way to the back. And then we have these round ones, the wooden round beads. Okay, then we have some of those. Then we have these beads. Aren't these pretty, guys? I've never used these. So they have 2 rows of those. Then they have the metallic pony beads in the multicolor, and then they have the silver and the gold. I love the gold. Then they have these glass beads, and then over here the star beads. Okay, then they have these, the purple. Then they have the green ones back here, and here the blue, and here's the pink. There's some more blue, and then you have the pearls and the white. Then here you have the sequins. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I'm looking for the felt letters and not the numbers, but I haven't seen them yet. Let's see. So here are the foam stickers. Okay, and then these are the pom-poms in the multicolor. Okay, got 2 rows of that, and then here are the feathers, and those are multicolor. Then you have the clothespins, the little mini ones. Then you have the heart gems. Heart gems. Here's the flower, and here's the butterfly. Then these are the felts. Oh, look, they have the felt letters. Okay, let's see. These are numbers and the letters. So they're mixed in together. Let's see. You know what? I think I'm going to grab felt letters in the red, since I don't see them. See if we have them. We can find them in another color. So let's put these back. Now here are the blue, and these are all numbers. Okay, these are the black. That's what I want them in. So those seem to be the numbers. Oh, I can't wait for them to bring them back. Okay, and then the white ones are all numbers. Okay, so at least we got them in the red. Okay, so here you have some of, I think these are butterflies, and here's some more flowers. Here's some more heart gems. Okay, and then here the small of the pins all the way to the bottom. Here's some washi tape. And the googly eyes, guys, in the black and white. And then these guys are in the multicolor. Then here the red. And here the, I love these stickers, guys. I'm looking for them in the clear. So they have the red, here's the green, and down here is the blue. Yeah, these are all blue, guys. Aren't they pretty? Maybe I'll grab some in the blue. Okay, so then here we have some Heidi Swap stickers, the planner stickers, guys. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? I don't know, I may grab some of these. We were right here, I don't want to get off track. So here, these are the marquee. Okay, the same marquee love, and this is like washi tape. So it comes in that kind and this kind. And then they have some of these in the red. Okay. Yeah, these are pretty much all in the red. And here's some glue sticks and for the small glue gun. All right. And I needed a white chalk marker, guys, in here. I'm just seeing that now. So here you have the big butterflies. So here are the 3D ones, guys. Look at that. So you have them in the green, and that one, and the yellow, and this brownish orangey one, and this one. Then here are your gold jewel border stickers, and here are the white pearl ones, guys. Very nice. And here are your craft boxes. And the square, the round, and they even have the heart. So here are your small little glass mini containers. And look at them with the cork tops. So you have the medium ones, and these are the bigger ones, guys. And so those go to the top. Then if you come over here, you're going to see the small ones and the screw top, which I think I'm going to grab one of these. Then you have, these are the large ones. So they have the large ones, and then the little small ones. All the way down to the bottom, guys. Isn't that awesome? Then you have your finger protectors right here, some glass beads here. And then here you have some clamps, guys. And then here is your glue and residue eraser. Here's your fastener dots right here. And then these are the pop dot adhesives. And these are the ones shaped like a square. And here's this double-sided tape, guys. Your detailing scissors right here. Then this scrap utility knife set comes with the multiple blades, guys. That's pretty awesome buy, and they go all the way to the top. Here's some more detailing scissors, and here's some of the metallic pens. Okay, and this is a metallic marker. So this is different than the actual chalk writer over there, so maybe I should try this one too. Okay, and then you have your embossing. Okay, and then you have your scoring, which is over here. You got plenty of those, guys. They go all the way to the top. Then here, look at the multicolors here of the chalk writers. Absolutely awesome. So then I was thinking I needed to get some of these tags. So here you get 6, and here you get 4. So I think obviously the better buy would be the 6. So maybe I should get one of the round and one of the tag shape. Then you have some magnetic buttons right there. Now along the bottom here, guys, you have some of these foam beads. Aren't they beautiful, guys? Look at this one. They're so beautiful for the summer. Okay, to make some arrangements. And then let me show you over here. So you have the small glue sticks, and then you have the large ones, and you know I'm loving these large ones, guys. And then here is your felt. So that's pretty neat too, guys. Come over here, you have these cork adhesive sheets. That's pretty awesome. And then here's some prang paint. Then you have some more prang over here. See the colors? Pretty awesome, guys. Okay, this, I don't know who this belongs to, but then here's the Crayola. Here's some of the acrylic paints, and you only have a few of those. So these are the colors of the Crayola, and they're washable paint, guys. So then they have the organizer box, and then they have the glitter shaker bottles, and here's the glitter glue. So over here, guys, you have your finger paint, and if I notice anything different, guys, I'll make sure and point it out. So here you have some paint palettes, and then here's some frozen paint palettes. Here is your glitter glue, and let's look underneath here, guys. So you have some of these kind of like boxes. Isn't these awesome? These are really nice. So then they have the crate ones. Okay, they got plenty of those. And then they have the animals. You see the animals, guys? So that is the unicorn, the cat. Let me move over. So here is the elephant. Isn't that elephant adorable? Here's the rhino. Here is the giraffe, the elephant, the rhino. So that's what they have. Then here you have the cat, the moose, and the French dog. You have your glitter in multicolored. Then you have your mixture of these sponge brushes. And here's a mixture. And here, guys, is my favorite because these are the same. I think I might grab one of those. You have your chunky brushes, guys. That's what they look like. Chunky brushes. And then these are your sponge dabbers. These over here are your squeeze bottle applicators. And then here, guys, are your brushes. So you have this 2-pack here. This is a 3-pack. And then here are your metal ones, guys. And then here's your multi-pack. That's 12-piece. And then here's another 5-piece. So all of these brushes, I guess, depends on what you're using them for. Depends on which brush you use. Okay, so here's the wood glue. Here's that foam poster board adhesive. I haven't used that yet, but I'll let you know. Here is the craft glue. Show you over here. So you have, I think I might grab, well, here is the multi craft sticks, and then here are the craft sticks in plain. These are the regular ones. Then you have the wooden numbers here. These wooden dowels are the smaller of the smaller of the two that they carry. This is the smaller ones. That the other ones are not, haven't been in yet. So here's the cross, and then you have this kind here. Then you have the star, and then these guys are wood hanging decor. So these look like tags. So they only have them in the tag and the crosses. Then this here is the chalkboard hanger. These are the wooden cubes. I love these things. Okay, the picture stands. Okay, they have it in the heart, the circle. This is a butterfly and this is a tulip. Then they have the little birdhouses, and they have these laser cut boxes right here and two different kinds of owls. You have that one and this one. Then there's the butterfly back there. So here are the words, guys. So here's peace, love, relax, home, relax. Then they have these wooden boxes here, guys. That's the pineapple, and that one is the apple. Then you have some more crates. That's pretty neat. So here you have the cactus, guys, and the crosses right here. Heidi Swap stickers, the monthly planner stickers. So they have some of those. And then they have your flexible stencil. This is in the wrong place, guys. So here's some flexible stencil, and then here are the regular stencils. Then here are your paper poofy stickers. I love these, guys. I show them to you every time I come because they're so beautiful. And that's the meow one. That's the dog one. Then here's some more of the regular stencils, and here's some more regular stencils, and the flowers and the stars. And then these right here are the flexible ones. Those are really nice. Let's see. Yeah, those are really nice. And then these are flexible. They say different. Oh no, they're the same messages on these. Then here is the regular stencil. Anyway, these here are the pop-up stickers, guys. Look at the detail on these, guys. And then look at the detail on these. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And the butterfly, I love those colors. So then they have the multicolored gems. Okay, then they have these pop-up stickers, and that food one cracks me right up. So here's a close-up of the food one, guys. That one cracks me right up. So then they have more stencils over here. They're loaded with stencils, guys. I think that's awesome. So here's some Heidi Swap book stickers. Okay, and then they have that kind back there. So then you have these poofy ones in the alphabet, all different fonts, guys. That's what I love. They're so much fun. Okay, then they have these. So here, let me just scan that through for you. And then these are Heidi Swap too, and these are all numbers, 924 count. Isn't that something? And then they're all numbers. Okay, and then these are the rub-ons, and they're absolutely gorgeous, guys. And I know they come in different kinds. Here's the gold ones. Aren't they gorgeous? I don't know. I think I should grab some. Then they have these. These are rub-ons, guys. I got to practice more with these. And then they have these stickers, and then these are the ones I work with all the time. These are also rub-ons. Then this over here, guys, is the excess florals from the front to the back. And then here on the end is some washi tape. Look at that one. Then they have this one. Look at the mustache and the hat. I think those are the constellations, guys. And look at this one with the bow ties. I never seen that one. Here's the cactus. And then here's the sloth. They're so cute. They're so cute, guys. Okay, so this is the crafter section, guys, over here by my mom's. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day, guys. And I will see you in the next video.